Okay.
We might need a third person. And something just happened to the bottom of this. To the.
Wait. Where's it?
Oh my God! You were not doing that.
No. We have a bird in the tree. This is gonna win me. This is gonna win me $10,000. Please don't go upstairs, bird. Oh my God. Wait. Nope. Where's he? He's trying to go. Let me open the door to the outside. Oh. We got him! Oh, sweet Jesus. Okay.
Okay, let him go.
Let's let him go. Oh, jeez.
Dad, can't get out!
Okay.
Look at this. It broke off.
Okay. Let's take
Take him far away.
Take him. Wait. Let's release. All right. Okay. I think he's okay.
Yeah, he's fine.